Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Call of Duty and signing into the profile you want to adjust. Once in the main menu, press Options or ESC to open the menu immediately, then select Settings, the gear icon. This gets you straight into the configuration area so you can change controls, graphics, or audio without wasting time. Make sure to confirm you're on the correct platform profile before proceeding. It prevents syncing the wrong presets across accounts. You now adjust gameplay and controls to match your playstyle. Change aim sensitivity and ADS sensitivity using precise numeric values for consistency. Next, remap your keys or controller buttons under Controls and save that custom preset so it's always available. Also tweak HUD elements, crosshair color, and vibration to reduce clutter and improve target visibility. Once done, test in a private match. To finish, apply and save all changes, and if the game supports it, export your profile so changes persist across devices. Next, make sure to check graphics and network settings if you notice frame drops or lag. Lowering shadow/texture quality often restores smooth play. If something breaks, reset the specific setting rather than everything, or reload the default profile, then reapply only the working tweaks. If problems continue, restart the game and test again in a private match to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.